हेलो स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ 7th स्टैंडर्ड। साइंस का लेसन 13 है चेंजेस फिजिकल एंड केमिकल। उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स अब हम देखेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन द फॉलोइंग, जिसमें फर्स्ट है फिजिकल चेंज एंड केमिकल चेंज। फिजिकल चेंज में फर्स्ट हम देखेंगे इन दिस चेंज द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सब्सटेंस रिमेन द सेम। केमिकल चेंज में इन इट द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द ओरिजिनल सब्सटेंस अल्टर। Second, physical change, their original composition remains as it is. Chemical change, in it the original composition changes. Third, in physical change, these changes are reversible. For example, boiling, evaporation, etc. Chemical change में these changes are irreversible. For example, photosynthesis, corrosion. सेकेंड डिफरेंस है पीरियोडिक चेंज एंड नॉन पीरियोडिक चेंज। पीरियोडिक चेंज में फर्स्ट है चेंजेस विच ऑकरिंग अगेन एंड अगेन आर अगेन आफ्टर अ डेफिनेट इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम। नॉन पीरियोडिक चेंज changes which are not occurring again and again after a definite interval of time are called non-periodic changes. Second है periodic change में these changes are constant. For example, high and low tide of the sea. नॉन पीरियोडिक चेंज में है दीज चेंजेस आर नॉट कॉन्स्टेंट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब्रेकिंग ऑफ स्टॉर्म। थर्ड है नेचुरल चेंज, मैन मेड चेंज। नेचुरल चेंज में है दीज आर द चेंजेस विच आर ऑकरिंग बाय नेचर, नेचुरल कॉज। मैन मेड चेंज है दिस चेंजेस द चेंजेस मेड बाय मैन आर कॉल्ड मैन मेड चेंजेस। यहाँ MADE कीजिए। सेकेंड है नेचुरल चेंज में फॉर एग्जांपल राइपनिंग ऑफ फ्रूट्स, एंड मैन मेड चेंज में है फॉर एग्जांपल कटिंग डाउन द ट्रीज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अंडर विच डिफरेंट टाइप्स कैन द फॉलोइंग चेंजेस बी क्लासिफाइड। फर्स्ट है कन्वर्जन ऑफ मिल्क इनटू योगर्ट। ये कौन सा चेंज है? तो केमिकल और इरिवर्सिबल स्लो चेंजेस। सेकेंड है बर्स्टिंग ऑफ क्रैकर्स, केमिकल, इरिवर्सिबल, फास्ट। Third, occurrence of an earthquake, physical, chemical, irreversible, natural. Next, revolution of the earth around the sun, periodic, slow, natural. Fifth, stretching of a spring, physical, reversible. Question third, while purchasing canned food, its expiry date should be checked. Answer, on every canned food its expiry date is mentioned. This is the time limit during which the food item is safe to eat. After the expiry date, the food may not remain in a good condition due to irreversible chemical changes. Such items are harmful for our health, so while purchasing such food, its expiry date should be checked. Next, an iron article should be given a coat of paint. Answer, if we do not get care of iron articles, it gets rust naturally, which is called corrosion. It takes place due to oxygen, moisture, vapors of chemicals in the air. Corrosion makes articles weak, so for keeping the articles in good condition, it should be given a coat of paint. Next, a wooden article should be polished. Answer, many times wooden articles are affected by termites or fungus. As it is a natural change, it makes the wooden article useless. So if polish is applied to such articles, the rate of natural changes slow down. So for preventing such articles, it should be polished. Next, copper and brass utensils should be tinned. Answer, the metals like copper and brass gather a greenish layer because of chemical changes. This corrosion happens due to oxygen, moisture and vapors of chemical in the air. Next, a dry handkerchief gets wet at once on dipping in water, but it takes long for a wet handkerchief to dry. Answer, a dry handkerchief absorbs the water once dipped in the water. It is a fast change, but drying such moist handkerchief is a slow process which occurs due to evaporation. Question 4. What will you take into account while identify the following? A. A physical change in a substance. Answer, it will seem that whether the substance has changed its properties and composition. If both of these have remained unchanged, then it is a physical change. Second, a chemical change in a substance. Answer, it will see that whether the substance is changed in its properties, whether the composition of the substance is changed, whether the change is irreversible. If all these changes are taking place, then it will be a chemical change. So these are the question answers. If you like this video, please share it and like it and subscribe it. Thank you.